Uses: construction materials in cement, aggregates, tiles, and gravestones. Decorative purposes for marble and granite. Industrial processes: limestone for cement industry, silica for glass making. Minerals: distinctive properties, naturally occurring inorganic, crystalline substances, identified by hardness, the Mohs scale, luster, strength, cleavage, and density. Local availability: metallic minerals, gold in Benguet, Compostela Valley, copper in Benguet and also in Zambales, nickel in Surigao, Palawan, one of the world's top producers, chromite in Zambales and in Palawan. Non-metallic minerals, silica in Negros and in Cebu, clay used in ceramics and also in bricks, salt, Pangasinan, and Mindoro. Uses: metals for construction, electronics, and transportation. Non-metals for glass, ceramics, fertilizers. Precious minerals like gold and silver for jewelry and financial reserves. Soil: distinctive properties composed of minerals, organic matter, water, and air. Properties: texture, sand, silt, and clay. Fertility, moisture retention, and pH. Local availability on the soils. These are volcanic soils found near Mayon and Taal volcanoes, and they are very fertile. Alluvial soils, Central Luzon and Cagayan Valley, ideal for rice production. Loam soils, widespread in agricultural regions. Sandy and limestone soils, found in coastal areas, used for crops like coconuts and root crops. Uses in agriculture: rice, corn, sugarcane, fruits. Raw material for bricks and pottery. Foundation for infrastructure. The role of earth materials in human activities and industries, in construction and infrastructure. The rocks, which are limestone, sandstone, marble, they are used in buildings, roads, and bridges. Aggregates from quarries for cement and concrete. Mining and manufacturing. Minerals provide metals for electronics, transport, and machinery. Non-metallic minerals are used for glass, ceramics, and industrial chemicals. In agriculture, fertile soils support the country's status as an agricultural economy. Minerals like phosphate and potash enhance soil fertility. Energy production. Geothermal energy sourced from volcanic rocks. Coal mining. Semirara Island provides energy for power plants. Challenges and sustainable use. Environmental issues. Mining can cause deforestation, soil erosion, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Overexploitation. Unsustainable extraction leads to depletion of resources. Sustainable practices. Rehabilitation of mined areas. Responsible quarrying and mining regulations. Promotion of recycling and alternative materials. The Philippines' rocks, minerals, and soils are essential natural resources that sustain its economy and society. They provide the foundation for agriculture, infrastructure, industry, and energy. However, their exploitation must balance economic benefits with environmental conservation. Understanding their properties, availability, and uses equips learners to value earth materials as vital, yet finite resources that must be managed wisely. Key takeaways: the rocks, the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks, they are used in construction and industry. Minerals, the metallic and non-metallic, these are essential for technology and manufacturing. The soils support agriculture and human settlements. All are abundant in the Philippines due to its unique geology, and it must be harnessed responsibly to ensure sustainability for future generations. Practice problems for our quarter 4, Earth and Space Science, Lesson 5. Earth materials, properties, local availability, and their role in human activities and industries. Number 1. Explain the difference between igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Give one example of each. Given the rock types, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, required differences, and one example of each. So solution: igneous, formed from cooled magma or lava. Example: granite. Sedimentary, formed from deposition of sediments. Example, sandstone. Metamorphic rock. It is formed by heat or pressure, transforming existing rocks. For example, marble. So the final answer, igneous. Its example is granite. Sedimentary. Example is sandstone. And then metamorphic. An example is marble. Number 2. Describe two distinctive physical properties that help identify minerals. So given minerals required two physical properties. Solution. Examples include hardness, color, luster, strength, and cleavage. Final answer. Hardness and luster are distinctive properties used to identify minerals. Number 3. Why is iron or considered an important industrial mineral in the Philippines? Required. Iron ore presence in the Philippines. Required. Importance. Solution. Iron ore is essential for producing steel, which is needed for construction, machinery, and transportation industries. Final answer. Iron ore is vital for steel production, supporting construction and industrial development. Number 4. Explain how limestone is used in construction and manufacturing industries. Given limestone required uses in construction or manufacturing. So solution. Limestone is used to produce cement, concrete, and building blocks, and in steel manufacturing as flux. Final answer. Limestone is used to make cement, concrete, and as a flux in steel production. Number 5. Identify the 3 types of soils commonly found in the Philippines and describe their uses in agriculture. Given soil types in the Philippines, so required 3 types and their agricultural uses. Solution. Loam. These are fertile, good for most crops. Clay retains water and suitable for rice paddies. Sandy soil drains well and good for root crops. Final answer. Loam for vegetables, clay for rice, sandy for root crops. We will have the next part of our lesson, Earth and Space Science, Lesson 5.